Hello and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I am Bryan Fagan. If you have a custody order in place in Texas and you are thinking about moving, there are strict legal steps that you need to follow before relocating with your child. Failing to do so can create serious legal issues and even affect your custody rights. In Texas, most custody orders include something called a geographic restriction. This usually limits the child's residence to a specific county or nearby counties, often where the other parent lives. These restrictions are meant to protect both parents' ability to stay involved in their child's life. If you plan to move outside that designated area, you are legally required to give written notice to the other parent. Texas law says that the notice should be given at least 60 days before the move. This allows the other parent to object, request a court hearing, or negotiate a new agreement. The notice must include the new address, the proposed move date, and the reasons for relocation. It should be detailed enough to give the other parent a fair chance to respond. In some cases, you may also need to file a motion to modify the existing custody court order. Let me give you an example. Andrea received a job offer in Arizona, far outside the court-approved area. In her custody order, her lawyer made sure to give proper notice in writing to the father, and he filed a motion to modify the order. The father objected, and the case went to court. The judge looked at several factors: how the move would affect the child's schooling and emotional well-being, whether the job was long-term opportunity, and how the relocation would impact the other parent's access to their child. In the end, the court allowed Andrea to move, but adjustments were made to the visitation schedule and the order. She had to cover transportation costs. Because she followed the proper legal steps, Andrea was able to relocate without violating the custody order or risking contempt of court. Courts in Texas always prioritize the child's best interest, and that includes maintaining a strong relationship with both parents. That is why it is also important to provide clear, timely notice if you plan to move. If you relocate without permission or without notifying the other parent, you could face serious consequences. The court might order that the child be returned, change custody arrangements, or even hold you in contempt of court. Relocation with a child isn't as simple as picking up and moving. It's a legal matter that requires careful planning, communication, and compliance with your custody order. Like and subscribe for more legal insights, and schedule your free 30-minute consultation with our team. We will help you protect your rights while putting your child's best interests first. And until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.